Hi, this is Vijay. Welcome to this channel. In this video, I am going to give my personal findings and analysis on AGR relief for telecom companies. How this going to make an impact on telecom stocks as well as the bank stocks concerned with these telecom stocks. So before going to those details, I would like to express few points about the trading tips platforms operated by Bull Street through WhatsApp. We have three kinds of trading tips platforms. One is known as the super funds options, in which we give low budget option trading tips. Low budget means a sum of 10,000 rupees at 10k can be sufficient to have one lot of stock option, or sometimes two lots, three lots, sometimes rarely four lots of stock options. Such a kind of low premium option trading tips will be given in this plan. The trading tips will be given in live market through WhatsApp with entry and target and related updates. The subscription to join Superfunds option is 7,999 per month. Same way, we have a equity trading tips plan for equity investors on positional basis, in which we give highly speculative moving calls in equity and highly operated calls in equity and investment stocks in equity on delivery basis. The subscription to join the Superfunds equity is also 7,999 per month. And another trading tips plan we have for long-term wealth making. It's known as Super Funds Penny, in which we give equity stocks in the range of 5 paise, yes, 5 paise to a maximum of 20 rupees. These stocks are not tradable stocks, just buy and stay invested for a few years to create great fortune for you and your family. The subscription to join Super Funds Penny is also 7,999 per month. And you can remit the subscription by Google Pay, GPay or Phone Pay or Amazon Pay or Paytm, or even from WhatsApp Pay to this WhatsApp number. The WhatsApp number is given in the description box. We have only one WhatsApp, one Bull Street and one Vijay. No other person is here. And remember, I would like to give a caution that there are such people, fake people who are reflecting our name in Telegram. We do not have any trading tips activities in Telegram. We do not have any premium group. We do not have any VIP group in Telegram. All of our activities are only through WhatsApp and a blog website. So beware of such fake people. Now we go to the video. Recently, the government of India announced that they gave AGR relief package. So the AGR relief package came in the form of a moratorium for 4 years. So it means that the companies like Bharti Airtel and Vodafone Idea, they are subjected to give the AGR due amount about 43,980 rupees crores of rupees by Bharti Airtel and 58,254 crores of rupees by Vodafone Idea. So these are the pending amount they are subjected to give it to the government. But because of this moratorium for 4 years, they need not pay this amount, and even they need not pay interest on this amount also. So this give a greatest relief to these telecom companies. So these telecom companies can have a greatest cash flow, and they can concentrate on developing and building the 5G infrastructure. They can focus on 5G. So they can improve their business during this 4 years of period. Now we come to the stock pricing of these two telecom companies and two bank stocks which are concerned with these two telecom companies. And first one is Bharti Airtel, and I have seen the recently closed price as 727 rupees 50 paise before taking this video. And in my prediction, there will be an upside. It will reach a immediate target at 762 rupees. And if there is any adverse situation occurs, and if even the stock is also overbought, and if there is a massive profit selling comes in the picture, the stock will see a downfall at up to 686 rupees. And next stock is Vodafone Idea. The Vodafone Idea, the recently closed price is 9 rupees and 5 paise. In my prediction, the upside target is 12 rupees and 10 paise. In my prediction, the downside target is 6 rupees, 45 rupees in worst case. And the two bank stocks, one is the IndusInd Bank. IndusInd Bank, the recently closed price is 12 rupees 70 paise. And in my prediction, the Yes Bank has a recently closed price is 12 rupees 70 paise, and it may reach a upside target at 16 rupees 40 paise. If there is any adverse situation, the Yes Bank stock may go to 8 rupees 40 paise in a worst situation. And with respect to the other bank stock, the IndusInd Bank recently closed price is 1059 rupees, and in my prediction the upside target is 1264 and downside target is 969 rupees. So these are the pricing levels. So now I would like to say a few points about the trading tips operated by Bull Street Casino Online Trading Tips magazine for elite traders. So this Bull Street Casino Online Trading Tips magazine is meant for HNI investors and matured big traders, those who are having working capital above 50k to a range of few lakhs. Say even 1 lakh is enough sometimes. So in this Bull Street Casino Online Trading Tips magazine, in live market, we post trading tips with the entry and a target, related target. Target sometimes will be open, and we will be giving these kinds of trading tips, the double money trading tips and triple money trading tips, and mini jackpot tips and occasional jackpot tips. So double money is nothing but the investment has to get doubled within a few days of holding, and triple money is nothing but the investment has to get tripled in few days of holding, and mini jackpot is nothing but the investment has to multiply by 5 to 7 times in within few days of holding to sometimes some more days may be needed. And occasional jackpot trading tips is nothing but the investment has to be multiplied by 10 to 20 times in few days of holding. Sometimes we may hold up to few days before expiry. Sometimes even on expiry day we will make magical wonders. The subscription to join this Bull Street Casino Online Trading Tips magazine is high, and the return is very high. If you want to subscribe to Bull Street Casino Online Trading Tips magazine, please leave a message by text to this WhatsApp number of Bull Street. We have only one WhatsApp number, one Bull Street and one Vijay. No other person is here. See, if you are a retail investor, retail trader having a small corpus about 10k and above, you can subscribe to Super Fans option. Thank you very much. I am Vijay.